everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout, and today I am going to do a baseball layout. So this is my stepson and daughter-in-law and the two oldest boys, and they went to a Brewer game. So we're in an area not too far from the Brewer games, and this was the boys' first game. So I thought it would be really cool to sort of remember that. And I'm using basically the Brewer colors, so the blue and the yellow paper. So the yellow paper is Bella Boulevard Bella Besties. It's the freehand graph dot in the bell pepper color, and the blue paper is Doodlebug Petite Prince Blue Jean Dot Stripe. I use a lot of both of these two papers as backgrounds because they are awesome and perfect for that. Just kind of playing around with photo arrangements here. I love the photo on the top left of all four of them on the outside, and then the one of them in the mitt, because my stepson and his wife, they were still dating, had a picture taken in that mitt, and I remember that. So I just think it's a cute kind of nod to the past. So I thought those were important ones to get on there. And just the kids, you know, being silly, enjoying their time. They got to eat in an area that's kind of like a special area, just because my daughter-in-law has some connections with a cool place there. So that was kind of fun. So I did do it's really about a 3-inch strip. That's what the blue is. As I'm getting all these photos on here, let's go back to the layout because that's what you really care about, right? And I do like it sometimes when I do these collage layouts. The one thing I try to do when I have this many photos is try to get the sizes fairly similar. They're not completely similar on this layout, but they are pretty close. The photos on the right, bottom right, are a little bit narrower. They're not quite as wide. All right, so then I have these stickers here from the Cartabella Baseball Elements sticker sheet, and I decided to pop in a little red. There is a little bit of red in the photos here and there, but baseballs have red stitching, so I thought that would be, you know, and it was baseball, and I kind of like the addition of that third color. I think it really makes it pop. Without that, I think it would not have been, it would have been a lot more bland if I didn't add that in. And then that gave me the opportunity when I was putting baseballs on the actual layout to decorate things that it just looks a little bit better. All right, so speaking of baseballs, these die cuts are also from that Cartabella they're from the Cartabella baseball collection, and this was a collection kit that I did not say. The die cuts that are above are actually where they were punch outs, and I punched those all out. So kind of playing with, I decided to put that one player on the left. So to sort of echo that, I put another player on the right. And they're wearing blue and like a navy blue and white blue. I love that play ball because that is really, you know, that blue and yellow Brewers colors. And then I decided to add that baseball up there. And these stickers are actually pretty distressed, but I think they work okay with this pretty graphic background paper here. That is one thing I'm often concerned about, is how that looks. So I'm just, again, playing with some, you know, die cuts. Where do I want things to go? I'm looking for something with that baseball, and then I think, well, that would be a perfect opportunity to journal in that space. Play ball, I'm pretty sure, is going to be my title at this point, because I don't really see another place that I really want to put one. So that label sticker is from Ellie's Studio. All right, get that in there. And then I decided I really wanted to do something on the bottom here so that I have kind of an uneven number, because right now I have 4 airs of embellishment and nothing on the bottom. So there's nothing to kind of bring in the photos from that bottom row into the layout. I think this is going to do it. So talent wins game, teamwork wins championships is a nice saying, but it's also in the Brewer colors, so that's really why that's there. Then I have these enamel baseballs from Shadney, who is on Etsy. It's Shadnee. She does all sorts of really cool wood and acrylic pieces. Oh, actually, sorry. Before that goes on, that was another die cut that said greatest fan. Sorry, guys. Here comes the baseballs. I was thinking I'd put them on. And this is another reason I wanted to get that red in, because I thought I wanted to use these enamel baseballs. I've had them for a bit and I haven't used any of them. And so the red helps with that, you know, from the baseballs across that strip. I also, when I have a join between two papers, like I do here, be it a patterned, really patterned paper or the faux solids like I'm using here, I usually like to put something there. I talk about this all the time. A sticker, washi tape, whatever it is, a piece, an offcut from like a border strip, or just even an offcut from my paper. I like to do that. So I'm just adding these enamel baseballs in, and yeah, obviously with the theme, but it also gives me another texture, but it's not an enamel dot, so that's a little bit different. As I'm doing this, I did decide at the very end to add some little small word stickers that you'll see in the pictures at the end just coming up, but they're from that Cartabella baseball sticker sheet as well. So here's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.